right, it's time for circle time. It is May. May what? Let's see. Today is May 11th. Let's see what day of the week it is. Are you ready to sing with me? Here we go. Days of the week. 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 There we go. There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Your turn. Singing. There they are. Days of the week. 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 All right, and today is Tuesday, May 11th, 2021. Friends, we're sitting quietly with our listening ears on. Let's take a look at our pattern. Remember, it's 3 of everything. So it goes sun, sun, sun. Kite, kite, kite. Sun, sun, sun. Kite,
Sun.
oh, we need 3 kites. We only have 1, so what's going to go here? A kite. All right, tomorrow we have no preschool. So let's go ahead and put the date there. What's going to go there? Do we have 3 kites? 1, 2. So what's going to go here? Kite. 3 of everything. And we'll be back here on Thursday. All right, we predicted. Ooh, cloudy. And it is cloudy out there. I don't know. Do you think it's windy? I think it's windy.
No.
Not windy. What about tomorrow while you all are home? What kind of weather are we going to have? Sunny. Oh, my goodness. Nope, we already said sunny. And today, is it sunny outside? No, we said today it is cloudy outside. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Remember, we're not singing it. We are saying the alphabet. Let's say it together. Here we go. Let me hear you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Very nice. Counting all the way to 15. Are you ready to count 15? Are you sure? Are you positive? Let's stand up. Stand up, stand up, hurry up. Hurry up, stand up. Okay, now sit back. No, stand back up, stand back. All right, sit down, All right, here we go. Let's count 15. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wonderful. Counting backwards from 8. Ready? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Blast off! All right, looking at some colors. Let's see here. What color is your shirt today?
Orange.
Orange. What's something that's orange up here?
Fish.
Good. What color are your pants today?
Fish.
Gray. What's gray up there?
Like this.
What's gray? What is it?
This.
Elephants are gray. What color are your sleeves? What color is that? Blue. What's blue up here? Sadness. What color are your pants? Black. What's something black up here? Oreo. Excellent. All right, let's look at some shapes. Everybody, what shape is this? Triangle. What is it? I can't hear you. Everybody, what shape is this? Triangle. What shape is this one? Oval. Up, bud.
Pull your mask up, Eli.
What's this one? Octagon. And this one? Star. Wonderful. Our nursery rhyme this week is this old man. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a bone. This old man came rolling home. All right, our letter this week is O. O says ah, ah, ah. Remember when we make the letter O, we say it with our mouth. We make the letter O. O. And when I make the sound, my mouth opens wide. Ah, ah, ah. It makes a bigger O. O is the beginning of ostrich, octagon, and octopus. The letter O is also going to have a song. We'll sing that. Ready? Stand up. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better. You never sound like Eli library first. Well, go ahead and get out the art stuff too. Yeah. Hands on this side, hands on No, it's the bottom. Reach it down. Great job, friends. There you go. It's the top. Reach it up. At the top. Down. Ah. Ready? Reach up. Way up. It's the top. Reach out and touch the top. Going down now. Reach down. Way down. At the bottom. Yes, it's the bottom. Reach out and touch the bottom. Now we're going to count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Woohoo! Keep going. That was great. Top, bottom. Shake it in the middle. Awesome. All right. Have a seat on your bottom. We're making the letter O, which means I have to start off with my magic C. When I make my letter O, I need 2 magic C's. Let me go ahead. Yeah, I need 2 magic C's. But I gotta turn this magic C upside down. Look at that. And there they are together to make the letter O. But first, we're going to sing about the magic C, because we make the magic C and we go here. But to make the letter O, I start like I'm making the magic C, but I keep on going. I don't stop until I reach the top. All right, so I'm going to sing the song for you. Crisscross Applesauce, hands in your lap. Listening ears are on, inside voices are off, your eyes are on the board. It's my turn. Make the letter O, I'll show you how. Start at the top, go this way now. Keep on going, please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Ready? My turn again. Listening ears on. Inside voices off. Eyes up here. Mask on. Ready? My turn. Make the letter O. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. All right, you make it with me. If you want to try to sing, you can. If you don't, that's fine. We're going to do it together. Ready? Make the letter O. I'll show you how. Start at the top. Go this way now. Keep on going. Please don't stop. It's the letter O when you get to the top. Very nice. You guys did great with that. All right. We hope you have a terrific Tuesday, and we'll see you on Thursday.